shared with you yesterday in my last video how you can trade these assets using the trend, the support, and the resistance zone. And if you had followed that instruction, then you should have made profit with this particular asset, because when it went on uptrend right from this support zone, you can see it gave us the trend signal, the buy signals, and it also gave us different stages where you can enter till it got to the resistance zone, and right from there it also started a downtrend. These are some of the things that we will be checking out again in this video. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. You should also remember that the forex market is always a volatile market. Okay, so it is important you know your way around it very well before you go fully into it. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I have said earlier, your resistance zone and support zone are very, very important. At the top right here, we've got our resistance zone. Okay, at the top right here. Okay, so we've got the resistance zone, and of course down there we've got our major support zone. At this part of this chart, we've got our major support zone. Okay, so and the trend is what we determine how we should go with it or not. Okay, so when this particular asset got to this resistance zone, so two things can actually happen at this resistance zone. It can either change the direction of the trend into a downtrend from an uptrend, or it breaks out above this resistance zone. If it breaks out above the resistance zone, it means it will give us more opportunity to buy more, and it will be targeting the next resistance zone. Okay, but if it does not break out from there, then it means it's going to change the direction of the trend. How do we know if it will not break out from there? Okay, this is always difficult to know, not until it gets to the resistance zone. So it got there, yeah, had the pullback, went back there. So the movement or the chart formation that it is creating at the resistance zone is what will help us to know if it will break out from there or not. So from here you can see it got there here, came back down, went back up again, still unable to break it, and it came back down. So at this point we already know that it may likely go into a downtrend fully. Okay, so all we just need to do is to wait for the downtrend signal, which came out around here. So I would have advised us to come in at this point. Okay, at this point where it came below this support region. Okay, so and of course you know we've already gotten the downtrend signal, and here is an entry point signal, which is a sell signal. But just for us to give ourselves a little bit of assurance, that is why we are coming in at this point. Okay, so if we are coming in at this point, remember our resistance zone will remain the what's it called, our resistance zone will remain the stop loss. So we should put our stop loss somewhere here. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, the stop loss will be somewhere here. So if you are looking for how to pick up a trade using this trading tool, that is how you go about it. So this will be our sell signal. Okay, so you can sell from here while you use your stop loss at the top right here in order for you to protect your account. Okay, you can see this is 5-minute time frame. Okay, not that there will not be pullback at all, there will always be pullback in between. In short, immediately you place that order, it might not even go into profit immediately. Check it out, it kept on selling until it got to this support zone. So this will have been huge profit for you right from the beginning of the trend to the very end of the trend. So that is the secret about it. It is as easy as that. If you are having the trading tool, Just follow the instruction and you will always get it right. And if you are not having the trading tool and you want to have access to it or to know more about it, there will be a link in the description box below this video. Click on the link and it will take you down to the page where you can have access to the trading tool, okay, so that you can have you can know more about it and see how you can get it. Okay, it is as easy as that. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, if you have any question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.